Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Alexander County, Illinois, southeastern Bollinger County, Missouri, Scott County, Missouri, southern Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, northern Stoddard County, Missouri, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms near Dudley, moving 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Van Zyzer, Cape Girardeau, Morley, Commerce, Jackson, Cape Girardeau Airport, Dutchtown, Orrin, Allenville, Blodgett, Haywood City, Chaffee, Scott City, Kelso, Thebes, Bell City, Advents, Bloomfield, Benton, and Whitewater. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 72 and 103. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Bollinger, Cape Girardeau, Scott and Stoddard, and Alexander, Illinois. Now for the official